Good afternoon everyone. Today on the occasion of design thinking idea presentation, me and my team are going to give a presentation on the topic parabolic dish collector. So, as you know, in this today's world, the major source of electricity which comes from power plants are being used as source of fossil fuels, which causes lot of pollution and they are non-renewable resources. So as they are non-renewable resources, their supply is limited. But as our population is increasing gradually, will eventually get to an end where we won't have enough supply for the electricity. So we cannot rely on the extended period of time, as this is also harmful for the environment and it is not even practical. So we have come up with an idea. We have come up with a project which has incorporated the existing idea of overcoming these issues. This project incorporates a smart home solar system. It is powered by a parabolic dish collector, and this project has a parabolic dish collector used to convert the sun's heat energy into electricity. This system includes an energy collector, an energy converter, electricity generator and electricity storage system. Here we have incorporated all the above mentioned elements.
We have incorporated all these above mentioned devices into a single system which can be controlled using a mobile application. We have incorporated already existing idea which is being used in industrial scale in large extent, but our goal is to make it available for domestic purpose. So the basic principle of dish collector is to convert the sun's energy into useful electricity, and the components which will be used in this are explained.
I will explain the working of. There are electricity generation. We have like the following components used in our project: parabolic meter, storage tank, steam turbine, generator. Parabolic collector. It is a device which is used to convert which converts the sun rays into a single beam of light, which temperature is very high. Which is very high. Which can be used to break. Which can be used to decrease resistance.
Storage tank is used to store water, which later is used to produce steam. Next slide. Steam turbine. Here, this steam turbine is used to rotate the turbines producing electricity by steam, which is produced in the given water tank. The generator. The steam produced by the water tank then rotates the steam turbine, which is then produced as electricity by the generator, which is then converted by the inverter. The inverter takes in the electricity from the generator, which is not stable. So this inverter has the function to stabilize the electricity and control the fluctuations. The battery. A battery, this device is the most important in our project, as this is the place where the electricity is stored and later utilized for further expenses. Arduino. So our project is based on a smaller version, so Arduino will be useful to make it in a smaller size. Available.
The above mentioned parabolic mirror powered by electricity generator is used in large scale. So here is the basic idea. This project has been used only for the industrial purposes. So we are incorporating all the elements which are used in domestic scale and combine it with this present project, so we can get a easy accessible source of electricity running into our homes. Kailash, Wasim, Ayush, Sufyan, and we thank you for attending our presentation.
Hi friends, good afternoon. I am Sailendra and this is my team. This is Vamshi, team leader, Gayatri, Avantika and Isha. Today we are here to present and that is IoT based air pollution monitoring system. This project we are going to make an IoT based air pollution monitoring system in which we will monitor the air quality over a web server by using internet, and it will trigger an alarm when the air quality goes beyond a certain level, and it will also show the air quality in ppm or LCD, and it is easy to us to monitor the air pollution. And next slide is going to explain the guy.
Nowadays, the air pollution is increasing because of we are using so many vehicles and industry is also increasing. It may cause so many diseases like asthma and lung problems and premature deaths, and also it will decrease lifetime of a human, and all these situations because of air pollution. The solution will explain by my friend Vamshi.
For this problem, the existing solution is by using some sensors like MQ135 gas sensor. It will detect the air pollutants and carbon dioxide NO2 gases. It will detect and it will go to the Arduino, and Arduino will convert into a Wi-Fi module. Wi-Fi module will convert into IP address. So we know in the browser IP address will show the how the hair will be, and finally this all this process and all the process is done.
And now the working model of this is we use the MQ135 sensor, which can sense the very harmful gases like ammonia and etc. So by that it is and MQ135 is the perfect gas sensor which we are using here, and when MQ135 sensor is connected to the Arduino, it gives the output. That means it gives the pollution level in the ppm. ppm is nothing but the parts per million, and MQ135 gives the sensor output in the form of the voltage, and that voltage should be converted and that voltage should be converted to the ppm, and that will be explained detailedly in code. And the sensor, if the sensor gives the value of 90, it means the gas. If the level, the ppm level should not be increased above the 1000 ppm. If it is exceeded, it means when the ppm value is less than 1000, then it will be in the display. It will be display the fresh air, and if it is above the 2000, it will display the cool air. Open the windows. And that's it.
Let's say pollution. Answer to the LD. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.
I'm from Kibli branch. My idea presentation is solar mobile charger. Problem statement is when we go to forest area in the plant, it is very useful. Introduction. The sun is a sharp made up of hydrogen and helium gas, and it is radiant and enormous amount of energy every second. Solar cell works on the principle of photovoltaic generation. Sunlight is composed of photons or packets of energy. This photons contains variants of amounts corresponding to different wavelengths of light. Solar process. The basic component of solar cell is pure silicon. Specifications of charger. use high efficiency of monocrystalline silicon. Solar panel is 5.5 volts and 1000 mA. Output voltage is 5.5 volts. Output current is 300 to 550 mA. Time taken to charge mobile phone is using the charger. About 60 minutes of typical mobile. This is block diagram. Solar panel and 5 volts regulator charger. This is a circuit diagram. This is solar panel. This is mobile charger connector. Applications. To charge mobile phone and camera, CD and MP players can be charged. This device can also be used to charge batteries and portable devices, smart cars, data sets, etc. Ability to recharge AA batteries anytime, anywhere there is sunlight to power towards bulbs in hot bedtimes, low watt lights, etc. Conclusion. In solar mobile charger, rebels will not be very enhanced. We use a DC power directly to charge the mobile. Battery life is more as high voltage are not developed. Facility of solar mobile charge is high. Type of battery will be high as we use solar mobile charger. Adaptability is high. Thank you.
And I am presenting my idea presentation about emotion detected by voice recognition. So my problem statement is in bold. There are rape cases and physical abuse and so many lots of things are happening and there is no one is standing for who are victims. So I presented this idea because of at newspapers all will see the so many cases, but no one will take responsible. So that's why I took this idea. So the solution is like voice recognition is playing a critical role in our daily life. Imagine anyone is seeking nearby help. So we need to. I want to build an app like or any device that can help for. You need to say a word like help. Only help. I need an help. If you say this word, the voice recognition will take the distress voice of the anyone or woman or who are in need help. The voice will be taken by the app and it will send an alert to the nearby police station. Send an alert to the nearby and pings the location to the officer. So this is the basic picture of the emotion detected by voice recognition. When you speak, the deep neural network will catch the voice and it will detect the emotion of the voice. When you have the technology which solves the growing problem of the society, so technology have, so that's why I took this idea and I want to build an app or application. So I needed the main objective of this computer program is to actually detect voices of the who need help. Help when through their privacy by informing directly to the nearby policeman. The technology is used. I use Python for this neural network and I need TensorFlow to train machine learning model. I need TensorFlow software for that. We can make a device or an application which will detect the distress voice. Thank you. Do you have any questions?
My name is Rahul and my friend name is Suresh. We have an idea on density-based traffic signal. The problem is raised that nowadays we are facing very traffic jam in the society. Due to that, the time is wasted. So we have an idea on that. We can make a traffic system existing mechanism. method is the present existing method is that due to the based on the time delay, the traffic signal is controlled. Means whenever the time happens, like if the time period is about 15 seconds or 150 seconds, in that particular time the vehicles have to move. That is.
So we have come up with a data. Normally the traffic signals are based on constant timing. So here is the idea. Whenever the vehicles are not present, the traffic signal is passed through the other traffic signal.
Other side.
Other slide.
So whenever the green light is on in a road, so vehicles are now passing. So the signal is move on to the other side. So if the number of vehicles are more in a road, so the priority is given to the number of vehicles. So the time waste is reduced. So we are using a MAGAT system. So we are using an Arduino ultrasonic sensor to see the density of vehicles on the road.
Today we are here to present our idea on wireless electricity. Myself, I am Sindhu, and my team members are Bhargavi and Manish. Wireless electricity is a transferring of electricity without using wires is known as wireless electricity. Problem statement is, in India we have streets like with lot of electric wires, and it has loosely hanging scattered wires which are very problematic in our society, and those cables are connected to homes directly from the main voltage transformer. So from the current electricity poles they are connecting Wi-Fi cables and TV cables and many etc cables from one transformer. So it will lead to high voltage cables can damage. Next slide. This idea is based on Tesla coil. It is invented back 100 years ago by Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla is invented a coil that is primary coil to secondary coil, and as a result with high voltage. Because of high voltage and while he was experimenting, the transmitter got high voltage, so it got blasted and 60 got burned. Now Manish will explain further.
This one of circles couple coils, the principle of electromagnetic induction and based on field, if the coil is placed in the field, the coil gets magnetic energy is converts into electrical energy. Thus, two copper coils are arranged there, one with sender and other with receiver coils. It has power supply, transmitting coils, magnetic field and receiving coils, and shaders of panel. Primary coil. When the power is switched to the first coil, it converts the electrical energy to magnetic energy, and the oscillator particular frequency. Secondary coil which will receive the magnetic energy and converts into electrical energy. Block diagram. DC supply to oscillator to transforming inductor coil, and the secondary coil will receive the magnetic energy and reflector. It converts AC to DC and will be transferred to the load. Wireless technology. Two objects and similar resonance tends to exchange the energy without causing any effect to the surrounding objects. Limitations: size, cost, range, and efficiency.
Electricity nowadays there is a the rapid increase of electronic goods like cell phone, laptops, iPods, etc., which rely on chemical storage of energy by the battery, which need to be recharged frequently. So nowadays we can see that we are using many electronic gadgets in our daily life, like mobile phones, laptops, etc., which we are using without any wire. Next slide. Applications totally replaces the wire. The main advantages of wireless electricity is that without any wire connection we can use it. Electronic gadgets like laptops, mobiles, iPod, etc. can be charged wirelessly. Charging is automatic without human intervention. We can see that the new invention is happened without any wire. We can charge the mobile phone by placing it on a pad. Future of wireless electricity. Think of the involuntary impact of the wireless phone. Now imagine the same impact on power. The future is on where power can be completely unpinzed and can be installed anyway by the fraction of the cost. These will create a huge disruption to the monopoly held by the power distributors. Wireless smart control is going to be what enables this big shift in the power industry. These are some of the advantages without any wireless. It does not require line of sight. It does not require batteries and power cables. It does not interfere with radio waves. In this wastage of power is in a small quantity. It is highly efficient when compared to the electromagnetic induction. It is affordable. The final conclusion is that nowadays we can see mainly in rainy season the wires get hanged and they may cut off sometimes. So this may causes many problems, like the man may get affected, he may die also. So to prevent the problems, this technology is very useful in our generation. Thank you very much. In the starting of the developing of Indian country, we didn't plan our electricity like buildings, construction of buildings are mainly considered as poles, electricity and electrical wires around the buildings. We didn't have a proper planning about our construction of the electrical poles, so it is damaging our aesthetics of the Indian. We have very beautiful buildings and it is surrounded by wires, which are not looking good, and it is affecting our architecture and infrastructure. So it is a 100 years back old idea invented by Tesla, and it is a no longer dream for New Zealand. It is also applied in New Zealand. New Zealand already invented electromagnetic coils, and it has an efficiency problem. It cannot travel for long distance, but it can transfer the power from 2 to 3 kilometers without any using wires. Only by 2 poles which has same frequency. And this going to in India, if we try to develop our country, this is going to be the best idea. Replacing wires by wireless electricity. Thank you.
You all know my name is Sandeep and my teammate Rakesh. We came up with a plan: solar-based sea water salination.
The main reason by this project is that the population is increasing the problem of the water source affairs as the society is developing. The fuel of sources has disappearing rapidly and decreasing rapidly in our country. This project encourages us scientific research about this solar energy.
This project is based on it is a solar-based desalination unit, the device which transforms salt water into potable drinking water within less time. In this project, solar panels are used as the power source. Existing solution. existing solution is solar powered desalination unit. In this process, listen carefully. Difference between my project and my idea and the existing solution. In this project, this potable water is collected from the saline water by using sunlight. In this project, the salt water is heated with the help of the only sunlight. But in our idea, here we are not using, instead of using sunlight for heating up the water, we are using solar panels to convert light energy into electrical energy. So here we are here we are using in this solar panels, pumps, filters, and UV sediment filters, battery, and a UV filter.
Carbon filter is the carbon filter's main role. Lambda silver attracted blocks in the filter. The filter is bacteria, chlorine, and bad odor from the water. Armor chamber in the chamber is dissolved solids in the water or UV chamber.
When the salt water passes through the carbon filters, the carbon filters filters the water, which consists of the bad bacteria, bad odor, and chlorine. You all know that chlorine will be water consists of chlorine, right? It filters the chlorine, and after that, by using the pump, we are using a pump with the help of the power which is generated by the solar panel. So with that pump, we are forcefully running the water to the alkaline chamber. This alkaline chamber consists of the water which is having the pH high pH value in our tap water. So in this chamber, the water which should be filtered will be maintained. The pH of the water which should be getting output, right? The pH of the water which will be coming out will be maintained. So next, directly the water will be flowed to the storage tank. This storage tank stores the purified water, and this UV chamber is connected to the output chamber. This UV chamber is fixed to the outlet of that storage tank. In order is nothing but just an additional filter for removing the extra bacteria and all. Budget approximately this project takes, in my approximation, it takes 10 to 20,000 to make this project. And the suitable areas for implementing this project is the areas which are where seawater is more. The areas where seawater and plenty of sunlight is available. And mainly our vision is to use only the renewable sources for the innovations instead of using the non-renewable sources such as fossil fuels and all. And next, our mission is to provide the potable, clean and fresh water without any pollution. Our goal is really to obtain fresh water without any pollution. Thank you. If any inquiries, you can contact us.